Hi guys, here we are at Meadow Lane level crossing in Derbyshire, which I thought. There we go, now the time is 11:12 on Thursday the 13th of August 2015. This is for 11:14. 1 Bravo 36 East Midlands train service Nottingham London St Pancras. Could also be down for our 11:23 6:05. This is for early 11:23 6:05 Charlie. Service freight service from Hope Earl Sidings to Walsall Freight Terminal. Sometimes struggle to read things in brackets, especially when my phone's cracked. I can read very well, but it's just my phone cracks that make the words sound funny, look funny. Look at all that liquid. It's from that barrier. That fluid. That's what gets the crossing up. That's probably what happened. That's probably why the crossing was stuck down that day when I came back before, because it ran out of fluid. Here she is. We've got 222-009. To St Pancras and staying. Oh, up they go. Guys, see you in the next video.